Welcome back you guys. I truly appreciate you coming back to my channel. I thought I will show you how to do some quick Father's Day t-shirt. You know, Father's Day coming up, so I said let me go to my Silhouette store, because right now you can get like maybe 50% to 70% off Father's Day. Different types of fonts and different types of saying. Everything is on sale right now, so it's real good to go grab a few. I think I bought some for like 50 cents, 74 cents. So just go to your Silhouette program and grab a couple, even if you can use them for next year. This is one that I fell in love with. I thought I would do it for my brother. It says #1 Dad. So first we're going to highlight this. I think I'm going to do it probably 10 by 10. That's a good size. I'm going to do it on a light gray t-shirt. So I'm going to do the #1 and the Dad in black. I'm still debating. I'm thinking I'm going to do it in the black glitter because I wanted to stand out, but it's a manly color, black. I mean, it has a little shine to it, but it's going to stand out just a little bit, but not loud. And I'll do these little, I don't know, I'm not going to say exactly what they are, but I think they are cute. But we're going to do that in green. As soon as I figure out the correct name, then I'll let you know. So I said 10 by 10. Let's make this a little bigger. Alrighty. A little smaller. Okay, that's good enough. Center this. But what we have to do, we have to break this apart because this is two different colors. So it's highlighted. I'm going up here to ungroup them. Alright, because we want to move our little leaves to the side. I had to ungroup it twice because this #1 was still connected to the two leaves. We're going to call them leaves. Okay. Now we want to group this back together as one. Alright, this is set right now, so we still have to flip it. Object, mirror, flip. And there you have it. And now we're going to send this to the Silhouette. I think I'm going to use the black glitter. Alright guys, I found it. It was like in the corner, all the way over. I guess it got mixed up, but it's this one. It says Happy Father's Day. I thought it was so cute because my brother-in-law, he likes to drink beer, so I said that'd be nice. And we're going to also do the one, the cat, because he loves cats, so we're going to do the other one also. But first we're going to work with this one. I'm just going to make sure everything is well together, and then we're going to flip it. We're going to put this in, what color? I have like a gray, a medium gray t-shirt. So, but I want to do this in a black glitter. Yeah, I think that would look nice, guys. Alrighty. So I'm not going to take you through all this. We're going to do this design. And also we're going to do the cat one. And there's another one I wanted y'all to see. On the back of my brother-in-law, we're going to do best cat dad ever. And I'm going to do another one for my brother. He's another one who likes to drink beer sometimes. This one, Daddy Juice. Alright guys, we're about to get started weeding. I really wanted y'all to see how easy it is to read flock. People think it's hard, but it's not hard. And this is the one for my brother-in-law. The one with the two, I think they beer bottles, beer cans. Beer bottles. I really should have had the picture down here for a reference. It's just so much easier when you have a reference, so you don't be taking out the wrong part, because that can happen. But flock is pretty soft, and it gives you like that embroidery look, because it lifts up just a little bit, just a slightly. Alright guys, this is the last one. I already weeded this gold for you. So this is the number 3 t-shirt. We are done. Alright guys, we are here at the heat press. And remember, please subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. I'm a newbie at this, so I really need some new subscribers. And when the bell come up, hit the bell. The bell will let you know when I'm putting up a new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Alright, now let's get started on pressing all these vinyls on these t-shirts. Remember, always preheat. Get that collar off. Make sure everything is straight. Preheat for a couple of seconds. Now this t-shirt is going to have 2 sides to it. We're going to put something on the front and also on the back. This is for my brother-in-law. He's the one that likes the cats, and he drinks beer. He loves his beer. I'm not going to say what kind of beer, but he likes his beer. Remember, underneath the armpits is my center. Across the chest. That's the best way. And the reason why we got these off of the Silhouette store, everything is already set up for you. You don't have to do anything. You buy these downloads, you print them out, and everything is done. Sometimes I use, well, most of the time, I use Corel Draw and the Wizard. I'm going to say about 80% of the time. And the rest of the time I'll use Silhouette. But I know how to set all this stuff up. But for beginners, this is perfect because everything is done for you. But for somebody who's been doing this for a while, you would use the Wizard and you would do all this yourself. You could use any type of font and you could just mix and match, and they have different downloads also. And the Rhinestone World, they have downloads as well. Makes it a little easier when it's already done for you. I know I have to start slowing up with my talking because I'm talking fast again. Alright, so we can ready to press this. This is the flock. This is for 12 to 15 seconds. And remember, flock is a cold pill. Alright, now we're going to put the image on the back. Remember to preheat. I'm not going to peel the front off because we just heated it up again with that flock. Remember, the flock is a cold pill. But now we're getting ready to do black glitter. Now glitter is a hot pill. Best cat dad ever. I think he'll like this. He just lost one of his cats, and I'm so sorry to hear about that. But hopefully he'll get another one soon. But he still has his Spud, because he had 2 cats. And he is the best cat dad. Now this one is out of foil. This is another cold pill. See how the designs is already set up? The only thing I did different, I put an M in there for him. For his little brewski. The center. Alright, we're going to press this for 10 to 15 seconds. Then we are on to the third t-shirt. I really think he will like this shirt. Well, he likes t-shirts anyway, so. And remember, this has the little green little leaves on the side. Press this a couple of seconds. Remember, this is a hot pill. Remember the two leaves? We had to do that part first because you cannot put the leaves over top of the cover sheet. And you can place these anywhere you want. It really doesn't matter. But I'm going to do similar to the picture. One here. And this is another glitter vinyl. Remember, everyone, is best to have a reference if you want to do it exactly like the picture. But if not, you could do it any way you want. But remember, I got this from the Silhouette store. Remember, everything is already set up for you. It makes it real easy. You download it, you print everything out, you press it. 3 quick and easy Father's Day t-shirts. Guys, the t-shirts are done. And this is t-shirt number 1. This is one out of the white block. This is for my brother-in-law. And the black glitter vinyl on the back. Best cat dad ever, which he is. And I did not forget about my other brother-in-law. I got you on the 4th of July. Shirt number 2. The gold foil. Daddy juice. And I put that custom M in there for my brother. His name is Michael, but I call him Mumu. I think he would like this shirt for Father's Day. Another Father's Day shirt. If you like this one, leave in the comment box below which one you like the best. Last Father's Day t-shirt. Number 1 dad. Another one for my brother, the one that likes t-shirt. So I had to hook him up. So he cannot complain about. I never gave him any t-shirts, so now he got 2 Father's Day t-shirts. If you like this one, please leave it in the comment box below. I would like to wish the dads happy Father's Day and have a wonderful day. This is your bonus. Remember, I told y'all I had a bonus. This is some graduation t-shirts that I did for, it was the little boy, his mother, and the dad. This is the little boy t-shirt. He's graduating this year. I thought y'all would like to see this. This is for the mom. The graduation is Friday, so they all wanted to look alike and support their son. So they asked me to make some t-shirts for them. And remember, guys, if you would like for me to make you some t-shirts, in the description box below, all the information is down there. So just contact me and let me know if you would like for me to make you any type of t-shirts. I will do that for you. And also we have the dad one. So they'll all be looking wonderful at his graduation. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And please remember to share. Remember, sharing is caring. And guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that bell so you know when my next video is coming up. And I will talk to you soon.